Have you ever had to batch rename files? You have a bunch of files that you need to rename. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I do that. Hey, it's Brian, founder of the Dixon Agency and host of the Content Creator Show. And one of the things that I do a lot for my clients is to help them manage their conferences, and a lot of that includes building online courses, which includes video. So basically, I have a bunch of video and audio files that need to be managed. For example, in this conference folder, I have 198 files, and they've all sort of just been dragged into this folder, but I really need to know what they all are. And actually know that some of these are different parts of the project. For example, okay, this is from a live conference called Write It Forward, and this right here is promotional video, right here. Promotional video for the conference itself. So it's important that I know what those files are and be able to rename them accordingly. So a couple things I want to do. First of all, I go by date modified. Okay. Usually this is the same as the date created or the date added, but sometimes they're not, so you need to know that. It's important when you're recording any video that you set the date and time settings. So if I'm looking here, this should be fairly accurate. That's crazy. Okay, there we go. Looks like these are all the promo. And one other way to tell is to go to do a larger preview, which I could do here as well. But the problem with that is it sorts it by name, and you can see some of these are not the same, although this would work actually right here. So what I can do is just select these files, because I can tell they're all in order. You can see it starts from 9450.mov and goes to 9460. So it should be 11, and it says, yeah, 11 are selected. Okay, now here's the tool. So I go over to Automator, and I'm going to drag in these files into Automator. And then what I'm going to do is add text, and it's before. So this is going to be Kent promo dash, and that's going to be before. So all these things are going to have Kent promo for Kent Julian before the name. And I just hit run and watch what happens. That's all you had to do. Look at that. They've all been changed to Kent promo. Okay. Then if I scroll around, just check everything else. It's all looking good. Okay. And you can see here, these are all from this conference called Write It Forward. You can just tell it gets the same shot, same background, everything like that. So what I'm going to do is just highlight all of those. Those are a lot of videos. Okay, looking good. Okay, then I'm going to go back over to Automator, delete these, drag these over to Automator, 182 files at the same time. I'm going to call WIFO for Write It Forward online, and then before name, and go ahead and click run. And I just renamed 182 files all at the same time. And now you can see I just sort it by name, and I can just scroll down and go, okay, these are the Kent promo files. And these right here are the Write It Forward online files, and it's all organized effectively. So really easy way for me to search now. I just do a spotlight search, or I can put them into a folder. It makes it really easy. Hopefully this tip has been helpful to helping you batch rename files, and definitely check out my other videos for more tips and tricks to help you create great content, engage your ideal audience, and leverage your message online to increase your impact and your income. See you next time.